Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to send crypto from Atomic Wallet to Binance. In order to send crypto from Atomic Wallet to Binance, you could follow these simple steps. So in order to send crypto, you just have to follow these steps. First of all, open up your Atomic wallet, and when you open it up, make sure that you're already logged in. After that, you could find the interface something like this, where you could see all of these assets. From here, you want to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer to Binance. After you're done selecting it, here you'll be able to find this option as receive or send. Since you're sending, click the send button. Now, in order to send it, you have to have a wallet address. Now, exit out of your account and then go ahead and open up your Binance application. Then, you want to go ahead and select the asset that you've selected and click on receive. As you click the receive button, you'll be able to find the wallet address, which you have to paste it right over here. And next thing you also want to do is paste the payment ID if you have it. And then you want to go ahead and enter in the exact amount, select the currency type, all of that, and click the send button. As you've done it so, you'll be notified that you've successfully sent crypto from Atomic Wallet to Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next